Friend, welcome. So this is our Connect 4 game for macOS implemented in SwiftUI. I think we need a button to reset, right? Okay, let's see if we can add a button under the game board. So this is our view and button. So here is our H stack. Okay, so it means we need another V stack, vertical stack. Put it here, and let's add a button. Button, okay. So let's create a button. Title and action. Title is new game, right? Reset, okay, reset. Action, okay, so let's see, print our action. Reset. Now highlight that, Control I to auto format. Let's see, run it. Reset. Yeah, it works. Now let's add a service. We need a service from our view model, right, to reset. And of course, eventually we need the service from our model. So drop, okay, let's add it here. Mutating, of course, function reset our game. So how to reset? We just remove all the pieces from here. Remove all, and we need to set the whose turn to red, right? Whose turn to dot red. Okay, now we can create the one here. Function reset and connect 4 dot reset. That command B, it should compile. Okay, let's give it a try. Run. Oh, we forgot to put it here. So instead of printing, we just call our connect 4 view model dot reset. Yeah. Run it. And let's drop. Okay, reset. And try it again. Yes, nice. So this works, right? And let's make a commit. Let's make sure we are inside this one. Okay, connect for Mac. Yes. Add it, reset button to reset our connect 4 game. Okay, that's cool. Now next, maybe we can try to add a sound effect. Okay, so we'll play sound here. Okay, so here is our drop sound. Okay, and we'll put it inside. Let's drag it into somewhere here, and copy item if needed. Yes. So this is our, let's move up a little bit. Okay, so let's play it. Yeah, cool. Okay, so now the sound file is here, and we can go to our view model and import AV foundation. Okay, so we'll define our private var and dropping audio player. So it's AVPlayer. Okay, so let's put an initializer to initialize this guy. Dropping audio foundation. Oh, we need an URL, right? So that sound URL equals URL with data do we have resource file reference literal resource name? Can we use this one? Okay, so what about the drop dot like this? Let's create this equals AVPlayer URL sound URL. Can we use that? Command B. It compiles. Okay, now drop. Okay, so after we drop, let's play it. Dropping piece dot play. Yeah, let's give it a try. Yes. Oh, he only played once, right? So maybe we can use that trick. Dot seek time this dot 0. Okay, try it again. Yeah, it's the same problem we mentioned in one of our previous videos. The first time it sounds normally, the second time is weaker. So we'll use our workaround like that. So we'll put that here, and every time when we play it, before we play the sound, we just create a new one here. Or can we simply do this like that? Run it. No, there's no sound. So we needed to put it here, and let's try this again. Okay, Cool. Now the sound works evenly good, right? Evenly well every time. So now can we get rid of this one? Run it. Oh, it's not initialized the player. Okay, so we can put a question mark here to make it optional, and of course here we need to do that, right? Nice, that's what we need. Okay, so for now we don't need that. Okay, so yeah, reset, and reset and try. Nice. Cool. So we have a button and we have the sound. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time. Thank you for